Omanjumuriro Ndizi TV andonsia sobere tenande nigo jaragire Chinsa Ikomi chabana marwaba jinga chirba nanko koretera mangana maya senjera yoko ya chute lindo maya na alia ganda to korakana imena isko ya Gusii no kuboli kwa na karanso ike ndura maya na alia ganda to kwateka kurujingo ngonye chenze imoja ili anyisugusu amo nabusongo nyana naboko na utubwati ya sensemo yemitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital pega sensemo ya YouTube naboko tonyora Ndizi TV News yoko chingaki naboko tweet at Ndizi TV News elinde otonyore as platform ejo cha online wega naboko tumere karengali kiao na yonda utubwatia wetera namba ya 0792192834 inere namba era screen yegurabuna manga ndo korekana imena isko ya Gusii asensemeri ya Samburu ni gondo chebuna omo speaker bwensemeyo ni anyare kago tikemeremo anekrabona nyarire gakonyora libaga asense ya UN sobokorari bwaye agochigokora asensemeyo boigo ni wede imonyo buna King Charles narengete gochikota Kenya matuka makeigo magiga yokobekerwa egutwa koba omo king somoruoti wensemeri ya London ayunga tialia manga ndokoragana ime na isko ya Gusii ko ngo kubulio bana inje Ikomi elio kato kubatera na chosho utangoro asensemeri umuntu webonyerelio abigari nyanjama ayana kimna goje wetera serio gyamo nechibicha ninjingo ya retere Brighton Makori. Aye Chinsa Ikomi bana tigato chake korwase county ya Kisii asibona bamenyi be county yo bagendere konyora maigerio anene nobosemi naki barengete gwetanga korwa somo chando bwokoreta emechando yobongo gose mental illness kaokwana se kanisa ya BCE ime ya Mwembe county ya Kisii Dr. Meli Nchiguna ni gobana deruna eyinere kirenga gose ni go babwate kirenge kyo kobosemia bamenyi be county ya Kisii erigwetanga kurwa samaroire hayara letwe no gorengereria gose gotatwaro bochenwo buya tetura kyo muswati ya nyaraka okwana Dr. Meli Nchiguna.
Magonjwa ya mental illness ile statistics ambayo imejulikana ni kwamba moja kati ya watu 10 katika jamii na katika community wanaathirika na ugonjwa wa magonjwa ya akili, na moja kati ya watu 4 ambao wanakuja pale hospitalini wanaathirika na magonjwa ya akili. Hapa Kenya labda hatuna statistics zile mingi sana, lakini tunajua kwamba karibu asilimia 42 ya watu wako na ugonjwa wa depression ambao ni ugonjwa mental illness. Na magonjwa mengine mengi ya mental illness ambao watu wanaathirika nayo.
Nimekuja katika kanisa la PCA kukuja kueneza ujumbe juu ya afya ya akili. Mwezi wa Mei ni mwezi wa kutangaza na kueneza ujumbe kuhusu afya ya akili, ndio watu waweze kujua kuhusu magonjwa yanayo leta shida kwa afya ya akili na kwamba ni magonjwa yanaweza kutibika.
Oraboti uribono ni gorogendete kwariganiwa numuriki weto Josephat ya mizi gogikoragense ya mabano maroba no chikonyora sinjira yuwikira ntu kutigotigana nayo ni otokana wikasense moya Bungoma asebono yorigetie kero kyubura ibwenze kwetera se kyama kya Roots Party oinere wa George wa Jakoya ni gobana nyarire gakuburia bana siasa wetanga asoko basumbwa gosa soko bachanda basumba bomonne kaukwana asense meya Bungoma nenekero aikirana asekambero ekero aliko mwegerera o Yesu wa Tongren goze Eliud wa Kesa oyabange bonyete buna Yesu wa Tongren ni gobono wa Jakoya ateruna abantu bali bakorandingare Nyasaye mbatakirigo chandwa asense ya Kenya.
And also Article 49, the right of the accused, are purely implemented in the Constitution. But when we see political interference with men of God, religious leaders, who are allowed by the Constitution to preach at their own wish, at their own whim, and you see politicians like recent remarks by politicians from Bungoma County, one of them who has been charged with murder, alluding that Yesu wa Tongaren must be arrested. Another one who is a sitting governor, who was alluding that Yesu wa Tongaren must be arrested. And another senator from Western, who also tweeted that this man must be condemned to death. For sure, where is this country? Yesu Watongereni hana chochote. Kama ingekuwa kama wale mapasta wengine ambao wako na mali, mungeona watu wanaenda huko kutafuta mali ya huyo and glorify themselves.
Omugabana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakacha niga singire wa abuna imeroberia begete buno mugabana we county ya Nairobi yo kwene kibuna omoju Nairobi ngomesore wiki kogendera kaukwa na nene kranya araga kubatu kajigali 19 gocha sobokorari we county ya Nairobi nigo bana deruna nigo arengete komesio mojoyo elinde omojoyo to arobosera bwaye una capital city ye county oseyense ya Kenya.
In the wrong place, please just move out and go to where you should be trading, because that operation begins today. We must, even as we serve all Nairobians, from the bottom going up, we must maintain a city that is a city of order. That one was what we said when we campaigned. It is what we still believe in. I know our brothers and sisters in the transport industry, in the matatu sector, we've been meeting, and many of them are complying. And I had even said no more towing, but there are few elements that have made it absolutely necessary. What we're going to do soon is have our own vehicles that do that, not the private contractors ambapo there is a commercial inducement to it, that we shall do it ourselves. I want to make it clear, even as we flag off these vehicles, because these are just a few of what we are getting in the coming days, and as this financial year comes to an end in the next 2 months, that these vehicles are not for our luxury. These vehicles are not for our comfort. These vehicles are to serve the people of Nairobi.
Umurai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigaro birotiko genda sense ya South Africa anene kirata gede kuchigikira na segi karo gya gatano nomo asebunge EU awikabono taraikororo kurende nigarobiri kwenda goikerana asege karekyo litkoliyangyo asebono monogeri bwebunge ye Senate yenze ya Kenya Mason King aiketa sensemeyo na gukwanira ali enze etakere gukora elinde gukora emochando bugochenji kwelire boigo na gukora chisegi jijigwate kasichinze awo ime yenze ya Kenya osijinsi chisiko osijibabekaine nense ya Kenya.
We cannot, Your Excellency, have a conflict, go for months, go for years, and yet as neighbors we sit back. What is happening in the Sudan demands of Africa to drop everything and to push for an immediate peaceful resolution to the conflict in the Sudan. And parliamentarians, Your Excellency, can come in handy because parliamentarians are the direct representatives of the people. If they can go the width and length of their countries asking for votes, they can actually go the width and length of their countries asking for peace.
Ekirobo no ense ya Kenya gendera kobeke miroberio yugo kine birengo byobochanu nigo ekamati ya Senate yetenende obochanu gekuragwa no mo Senator bwe county ya Wasinigisu Jackson Mandago nigo litukuria lero batarire county ya Viga erikuria lyobokorari bwenyagitalia nene ye county eyo yenerenjere yamo Senate gose ekamati eyo erengete kuria ebirengo byobochanu asiji county ao ase bakagere gochikotarire county ya Kisii lituko lyechuma ekero lituko lyangyo barabe ase county ya Kisumu lituko lya Jumatano barabe angyo barabe ase county ya Kisumu lituko lya Ramisi baba ase county ya Nyamira baigo bachukorera ase county ya Kisii lituko lyechuma.
Reduction of revenue collection at the Vihiga County Referral Hospital. Your explanation was that it was attributed to COVID. But we are not seeing significant improvement post-COVID. So if we dropped during COVID, why is it that we are now not recovering? And looking at the number of patients, you've said you are seeing at least 400 patients every day. So if we compare your charges to the figures you are giving us, they seem to be a bit of a small problem there that needs to be addressed. It was also observed that the revenue collection at the hospital
Ekeroto gusuka bosioni gobone nsemo yabasubati gorwase county ya Kajiado abanyarire bakogokero bokorari bw'inyagitari anenekere nyagitari ya moya nyarudege kugurwa ase enseme ibakwana nigobona batebero nakonye nigo bwatumo chando monne nonyinekero bagujikoibora nigekoire na baenda satambe gosabande banyaromo chanda sokwewera sichinga bono nigo basemeri buna kuguru kwinyagitari ya enseme yo nigera chikuba konya asensemo yuborwaria nonyinekera abande bagujikoibora abana.
Mama wengi wanateseka nyumbani, wanazaa nyumbani. Mimi nasapata mimba, nizae nyumbani juu nikizaa ile nasikia kuzaa, mzee wangu hana nguvu, hakuna gari, hakuna pesa na inabidi tu nizalie nyumbani juu ya hiyo shida. Kwa hiyo wakati hiyo nimeteseka sana kwa ajili ya hiyo na mpaka sasa nasema asante juu tunapata mabadiliko.
Sisi tunateseka kwa sababu wazee wetu walikuwa hana gari, hana pesa, na sisi tunazaa nyumbani kwa ajili hatuna uwezo ya kwenda haraka sana mpaka hospitalini, kwa maana hospitali yetu ni mbali sana. Tunapeleka muda mrefu tukiwa unaenda huko na milo kufungua. Sasa tumepata hospitali, tunashukuru sana.
Kero ingana yogo chukurusi kwa ebe igati yekengese yechibesa sabakori mirimo obeserakali ibono umurai bwense dogwira mruta singerewe na oikabachikona jo nigobono gati yabarai boborokiwa korwa ase kyombe kyanati na kubeti korwa ase county yomabe banyarire bakwamererege korwe kyasabadere na barabo nigobe agaje nyomba abukare bwigana ndisuko banaje bunene sochi kwagaje nyomba igo nigo kubairani magega boigo yabona bamubolire murai bwense korigerie ngani eyo na kujerusyo rodi kyagera nigo baraje kogenda asomogiro na koso ase jibara bunari ngani eligo chikogendera gwetiwa ase ebunge boigo nigo babolire abachumbe ekaro ngani eligo chikoika sebunge nene banyare bagori tukuterare elinde Kenya obugima banyare bokoroba.
That all the teachers of Homa Bay County who subscribe to the Kenya National Union of Teachers have built their houses from loans taken from commercial banks and SACCOs. The loans will be deducted up to teachers' retirements. We have houses with our desired specifications, and in this respect, the teachers reject this bill. That the teachers are currently earning only a third of their salaries, and any other deductions will cause them pecuniary embarrassment as they will not be able to meet their daily needs. Of course, this bill stands rejected. Number 4, that the bill did not go through public participation to ascertain the needs of the teachers in order of priority, as some teachers have prioritized education of their children and significant others. On behalf of our teachers, this bill is the rejected tool.
Omosubato yomo boigo yoromo kagerubuna niga nyarde ga kuira chibesa senjera yubolimo korwase oyo arengete go jikumuira se jinze chesiko nigobona kanira mamajayo asadebna taliere okorde limacheri nande tamaiti manganayo ekeranyaraga gwikiwa sekambere kemo asensemeli Eldoret.
Umestakia tunashtaka la kudanganya ama kupokea pesa kwa njia ya udanganyifu. Mnamo tarehe 13 na 19 mwezi wa 10 mwaka 2022 ulipokea shilingi 1,110 kwa kutaka mmoja anajiita Magdalene Jabet, ukimdanganya kuwa uko na uwezo wa kumsaidia afike Turkey aweze akapate kazi.
Ayobona na kwarianiria sijinse jiga kurinde nyonage koragense yamabona moroba nojigonyara yomona mange banandete wateka imena isiko vya Gusii sensemeli ya Pungoma Yesu atonglen niganyaraga kuigorerwa ekerobate abuna mtabwate mamojandonzi asare kukambiwa asijitangana watebune kerabwa tomu wakili oye Jochu wachakoya buri tangani Yesu atonglen nigatete buna ere abagwakile baye nigo bare kobo mugaso amo numutenyi korinde Jochu wachakoya nigeruete komokonya Yesu atonglen ekeraru asensemeyo nigatebi abariki bamangana banyara bakomokonya omwana oye anyore gasi nebintu bindara tumeke noye nase eskurugo nate abunere nigaro motaka tari umupastori uro mutinengwa yu na aragendete koba asense yeito ya Kenya tigangorera abunya saga kunganje na yagwanjere tumirane mambia somuruberio bwensake nigo twabotera na choshouta yokoretera gwetera sense meri umuntu we manyererio ekerabiga irinyanchama ahene kimnago jerwetera se emariogi ne chibicha Eliane Brighton Makori.